What we're going to look at here is how is the body organized. It's always organized from simple to complex. So I'm going to take you to the next slide first. Okay, so right here we have the atom, which is what we know as the smallest uh, component, and collectively they come together to be molecules. Okay, and molecules, multiple molecules together become what we call a macromolecule. Now we're going to look at the cell here. Inside the cell, there are little working parts called organelles, and we'll talk about that when we get into the cell more, but these are the functioning pieces inside the cell. Cells collectively come together to form tissues, and there's 4 types of tissues, and we'll talk about those 4 tissues in, I think it's session 5 that we talk about tissues. Collectively, those 4 tissues make up our various organs. Organs, there are a number of systems in the body called organ systems, like skeletal, muscular, cardiovascular. This is the digestive system. And in every organ system, there's a number of organs that work together to produce the function that we need. In the digestive system, we're looking for digesting our food, removing waste. Collectively, these systems become what we call the organism or the person. Just take a little note here, this person standing in anatomical position. And we're going to talk about that in a couple of slides. So when we were in the last set of pictures we were looking at, we talked about organ systems. So there are organ systems in our body: integumentary, skin; skeletal, you all know that's our bones, muscles; nervous system, and the endocrine system. They work together to maintain, they're the prime maintainers of homeostasis. The circulatory, I've lumped 2 systems in there: cardiovascular, which is blood, and lymphatics, which is the fluid that helps us protect us in defense mechanisms. Your digestive system, obviously we understand that. Respiratory, how we exchange gases from the environment and get it into our body. Urinary, and of course, reproductive system. Each of these systems, although they're independent, they work specifically. We need them all to be working for us to be healthy and well. So we can have a problem in a certain system, like you could have a problem in your digestive system, like an ulcer, and your body would still function, but you wouldn't be as well as you could be. All together, they all got to work together to maintain our homeostasis. And in every organ system, we have organs and accessory organs. The accessory organs help the main organ. So in the digestive system, for example, the main organ is the digestive tube, which includes the esophagus, the stomach, and the large and small bowel. Helping them are the other organs like the liver and the pancreas and the gallbladder. And as I said before, the nervous and endocrine system work together are the most vital when we're trying to maintain homeostasis. And that's the end of our clip.